Assalamu alaikum and very good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. As we all aware about pandemic condition, so stay safe and stay home. Okay, student, this is me, your science teacher, and it's your science class. Before going to take start, here are some instructions for you. The instructions are: take a screenshot of home task and activities. Keep your book, midterm science copy, and pencil box with you. Do all work in midterm science copy or in book. Keep your videos off. Use headphones. If you have any queries, you can ask me during the lesson. Okay, student, hope you get these instructions. Now, let's start today's topic. Today's our topic is my body, and it's unit number 1, and it's a part of our cells. Before going to start our lesson, here I am sharing the objectives with you, and the objectives are: by the end of the topic, students will be able to identify, name, locate, and count body parts, understand and recognize the parts of body, know the functions of different parts of body, memorize the different parts of body. Okay, first I will tell you the meaning of ourselves. First, I will tell you the meaning of ourselves. Who we are or what we have. Who we are or what we have. In ourselves, we say the name and gender. In ourselves, we say the name and gender. Like, who am I? Like, who am I? I am a girl. I am a girl. And my gender is, and my name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Same like, he is a boy. He is a boy and his name is Ali. So look at your screen. There are two children. First one is a first one. Who is she? Who is she? Who is she? She is a girl. She is a girl and her name is Sarah. And her name is Sarah. Now look at the second picture. Who is he? He is a boy. He is a boy and his name is Ali. So it means in ourselves we say the name and gender. Now look at your screen. You can see the picture of garden. You can see the picture of garden. There are some children playing in a garden. There are some children playing in a garden. They all have their own identity and features, but they all have same body parts. They all have their own identity and features, but they all have same body parts. So it's mean we all have different features with same body parts. So it's mean we have same body part with different features. As we all know, we all are human beings. As we all know, we all are human beings. Allah made us a human. Allah made us a human. We all have their own identity. We all have their own identity and features, but we all have a same body parts. We all have a same body parts like head, hair, ear, nose, tongue, hand, eye, mouth, finger, and legs. So it means we all have their own identity, but we all have the same body parts. I repeat again: head, hair, ear, nose, tongue, eye, mouth, hand, finger, and legs. So we can do various tasks with the help of these body parts. We can do various tasks with the help of these body parts. Now move to the next slide. Okay, what do you see on your screen? Can anyone tell me what is this? Uh, yes, what is this? Can anyone tell me the answer? Who give me the answer of my question? Salman Zafar, please ask if tell me the answer. What is this? Okay, please unmute yourself. Yes. Yes. Reham, it's the eye. Good. Excellent. Clap for Reham. Yes, it is a eye. It is a eye. With the help of eye, what we do with our eyes? Can anyone tell me what we do with our eye? हम अपनी आईज से क्या करते हैं? कोई कौन मुझे बताएगा? इसका आंसर कौन देगा? What we do with our eye? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Umema, very good. We see with our eyes. Clap for Umema. Clap for Barira. Yeah, Birra, sorry. Now, with the help of eye, we can see so many things. With the help of eye, we can see so many things around us. With the help of eye, we can see so many things around us. Okay, how many eyes do we have? How many eyes do we have? Yes? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Birra, very good. We have two eyes. We have two eyes. Oh, Mama, you are also right. We have, Aksa, yes, you are right. We have two eyes. Okay, now look at the second picture. In this picture, you can see so many things. In this picture, you can see so many things like birds, flower, plants, insects, cloud, and etc. So, with the help of eye, we can see these color of nature and we can enjoy the beautiful world. So, and we can see the beautiful color of nature and we can enjoy the beautiful world. So, it's mean with the help of eye, we can see we see things around us. Okay, now move to the next slide. In this picture, as you can see, there is a boy. In this picture, there is a boy who is reading a book. In this picture, the boy is reading a book. So it's mean without seeing a word written in a book, we cannot read. So it's mean eye is important for eye is the most important part of our body. So it means with the help of eye, we can read a book. In this picture, this boy is reading a book. Now move to the next slide. In this picture, there is a girl. In this picture, there is a girl who is watching a television. Who is watching a television? Can anyone tell me? Who is watching a television? Yes. Who give me the answer? Birra Omema, yes, she is a girl. The girl is watching a television. The girl is watching a television. We watch television program. We watch television program with our eyes. With the help of eyes, so it means with the help of eyes, we can watch television program. With the help of eye, we can see the television program. So it means eye is the one of most important part of our body. Eye is the most important part of our body. So can anyone tell me which body part we learned? Can anyone tell me हमने अभी कौन सा body part learn किया है? Yes. Birra and Umama, very good. We learn about I. We learn about, yes, we learn about I. Now move to the next. Now move to the next. Now come to the next slide. Can anyone tell me what is next? Yes. Oh wow, what is this? What is this? Can anyone tell me? Yes, give me the answer. What is this? Yumna Sikandar, very good. It's a nose. What is this? It's a nose. Clap for Yumna. It's a nose. So, as eyes, nose is also an important part of our body. As eyes, nose is also an important part of our body. Acha, okay. How many nose do we have? Can anyone tell me how many nose do we have? Please give me the answer. How many nose do we have? Birra, please unmute yourself and answer. Give me the answer. Okay. How many nose do we have? Can anyone give me the answer? Yumna, very good. Birra, very good. We have one nose. We have one nose. So with the help of nose, we can smell different smell. With the help of nose, we can smell different smells. Like some are good and some are bad. Some are good and some are bad. Okay, now in the first slide, you can see a girl. Who is she? Who is she? And what they have? Can anyone tell me? Yes, who is she? ये कौन है और इसके हाथ में क्या है? कौन मुझे आंसर करेगा इसका? Yes, Umama and Sunera, very good. It's a girl. She is a girl and she has a flower. She is a girl and she has a flower. So, with the help of nose, we can smell pleasant smell of flower. So, it's mean with the help of nose, we can smell the pleasant smell of flower. Now, look at the second picture. Look at the second picture. Okay, who is she? Can anyone give me the answer and what she is doing? ये कौन है और ये क्या कर रही है? Umama, good. Yes, she is a girl. She is a girl. Yumna, Zoha, very good. She is a girl. With the help of nose, we can smell fragrance of perfume. With the help of nose, we can smell the fragrance of perfume. In this picture, the girl is using a perfume. The girl is using a perfume. So it's mean with the help of nose, we can smell the fragrance of perfume. Now move to the next slide. In this picture, you can see two pictures. In this picture, you can see two pictures. As we learned before, there are two types of smell. How many types of smell? Can anyone give me the answer? How many types of smell? Yes, who give me the answer? There are how many types of smell? There are two types of smell. There are two types of smell. Either it's good or bad. Either it's good or bad. So in the first picture, there is a girl. In the first picture, there is a girl. And she has a Reham, very good. There are two type of smell. Muhammad, very good. There are two type of smell. Some are good and some are bad. So in the first picture, there is a girl and she has a delicious chicken roast. And it smells so good, yummy. It's so yummy. And by either in the next picture, The bin is full of garbage. In the next picture, the bin is full of garbage and it smells so yuck. It's so bad. The smell is so bad. So it's mean with the help of nose, we can smell either it's good or bad. So move to the next slide. Move to the next slide. Okay. Okay. What do you see in your screen? Can anyone tell me what is this? Zunaira Khan, very good. It's a ear. What is this? It's the ear. Okay. How many ears do we have? Can anyone give me the answer? How many ears do we have? Very good, Yumna, and very good, Maria. We have 2 ears. We have 2 ears. Okay, now what we do with our ears? Can anyone give me the answer? What we do with our ears? Yes. Umaima Amjad, very good. With the help of ear, we can hear. Very good, Bira. We can listen. Very good. We can hear and we can, with the help of ear, we can listen a different sound. With the help of ear, we can hear a different sound. Okay, Aman, Kashif, please unmute yourself. Okay, Aman, please unmute yourself. What we do with our ears? हम अपने आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Aman, can you hear me? Please unmute yourself. Aryan Munawwar, please unmute yourself. Yes. Okay, can anyone tell me, Aryan, please tell me how many ears do we have and what we do with our ears? Okay. Birab, please tell me what we do with our ear. What we do with our ears? Birab, please unmute yourself. Okay, Abdul Hadi, unmute yourself. Zunaira, yes. Okay, with the help of ear, we can, with the help of ear, yes, Maria, with the help of ear, we can hear. So, in the next slide, you can see there is a girl. She is listening a music. She is listening a music. So, it's mean with the help of ear, we can listen a music. With the help of ear, we can listen the music. So it's mean air is one of the most important part of our body. हम अपने एयर से जो है डिफरेंट साउंड सुन सकते हैं, चाहे वो म्यूजिक साउंड हो. अभी जैसे आप मेरी वॉइस सुन रहे हैं तो या किससे सुन रहे हैं, यू लिसन टू योर विद योर एयर ना, तो हम अपने कानों से डिफरेंट साउंड को सुनते हैं. सो now, what do you see in the next picture? Okay, can anyone tell me what is this? Yes, give me the answer. What is this? Yes. Okay, what can anyone tell me what is this? Yeah, and what the bird is doing? Can anyone tell me what the bird is doing? Birra, yes. Yumna, very good. She is singing. The bird is singing. The bird is singing. So it's mean it is a bird. It is a bird, and the bird we can hear the birds chirping with our ears with the help. Ibrahim Aziz, yes, unmute yourself. With the help of ear, with yes, Ibrahim, please tell me the answer. What is this? Ibrahim, very good. Ibrahim Aziz, very good. Yes, Yusuf, please unmute yourself. Yes,
yes,
what?
Miss.
Yes, what the bird is doing?
Singing.
Very good. The bird is singing. Very good. Excellent. Now, come back to the topic. The bird is singing, and with the bird is singing, and with the help of our ear, we can hear the sound of bird, or we can hear the chirping of the bird. So, move to the next slide. Okay. What is this? What is this? It's a, okay, now what is this? Yes. What is this? It's a speaker. It's a speaker. With the help of speaker, through speaker, we can hear important announcement through with the different announcement through speaker in our school or in masjid and mall and different places. So it's mean ear is a important part of our body. Now move to the next slide. Okay, what is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? It is a leg. It is a leg. And what? How many legs do we have? Can anyone tell me how many legs do we have? Yes, we have two legs. And what we do with our legs? What we do with our legs? Very good, students. You all are right. We have two legs. We have two legs. With the help of leg, we can run. With the help of leg, we can run. Look at this picture. In this picture, they both are running. In this picture, they both are running. So it's been with the help of legs, we can run. Now I'll move to the next slide. With the help of leg, we can jump. With the help of legs, we can jump. Look at this picture. In this picture, the girl and boys are jumping. In this picture, the girl and boys are jumping. So it's mean with the help of legs, we can jump. Now move to the next slide. Okay. With the help of leg, we can walk. With the help of leg, we can walk. In this picture, they both are walking. In this picture, they both are walking. So it's mean leg is also a main part of or important part of our body. Now move to the next slide. Okay, what is this? What is this? Yes, this is a, what is this? This is a hand. It is our hand. What we do with our hands? What we do with our hands? We can, with the help of hand, we can write or we can hold or we can eat anything. So look at this picture. In this picture, the girl is writing. In this picture, the girl is writing. Zoha, very good. In this picture, the girl is, with the help of hand, the girl is writing. So it's been with the help of hand, we can write anything. Now come to the next. We can eat with our hand. We can eat with our hand. In this picture, the boy is eating. The boy is eating. So it's mean hand, with the help of hand, we can eat food. Now, with the help of hand, we can hold anything. With the help of hand, we can hold anything. In this picture, they both are holding a balloon. In this picture, they both are holding a balloon. So it's mean hand is also a main part of our body. Okay, now, student, hope you understand the body parts and their function. Hope you all understand the body parts and their function. Now move to the next slide. In this slide, which we learned the spelling with pictures as we learned before. Now look at the picture number 1. Okay, what is this? It is a eye. What is this? It is a eye. And the spelling of eye, E-Y-E-I. E-Y-E-I. Now look at the second picture. It's a nose. And the spelling of nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Now look at the third picture. What is this? It's a ear. And the spelling of ear, E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, air. Now move to the next. What is this? It's a tongue. It's a tongue. And the spelling of tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E. T-O-N-G-U-E. Now look at this picture. It's a arm. What is this? It's a arm. A-R-M, arm. A-R-M, arm. Okay, what is this? It's a finger. How many fingers do we have? We have 10 fingers. We have 10 fingers in our hands. Now, spelling of finger, F-I-N-G-E-R. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Now, what is this? It's a knee. It's a knee. And the spelling of knee, K-N-E-E, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Now move to the next. What is this? It's a toes. It's our toes. And the spelling of toes, T-O-E-S, toes. T-O-E-S, toes. टोज मीन जब हमारे पाँव के पंजे जो होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? टो. जो हमारी पाँव की फिंगर्स होती हैं उसे हम कहते हैं टोज. सो ओके स्टूडेंट. Okay, student, it's hope you understand the parts of body and their name. It's your home task. Make a face sheet of name, midterm, title page, and title page of unit number 1, My Body. Student, take a screenshot of this home task. Now, the second one is fill in the blanks. The third one is choose and write the correct answer from the given options. Write T for true and F for false sentences. Write the names of parts of face. Match the parts of body with their name. Okay, now student, take a screenshot of this home task and draw and label any one part of your body. यानी आपने यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक बॉडी पार्ट अपना कोई भी ड्रॉ करना है. टेक स्क्रीनशॉट. मैं आपको आगे कंटिन्यू बताऊंगी. अभी आगे आप चलेंगे, हम चले मूव करेंगे. तो आप टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस पेज. टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ होम टास्क and do book page number 3 and do book page number 3. Now it's your face sheet. First you have to fill the face sheet with black pointer. First you have to write your name, then your father name, then class and section. Except roll number, class teacher and subject teacher. You leave these lines. जब आप आएंगे तब आपको हम ये अलॉट कर देंगे. जब आप टीचर नेम एंड क्लास सब्जेक्ट टीचर एंड रोल नंबर. बस टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस पेज. नाउ make the title page of first term May to November 2021 and 22. Take a screenshot of this page also. Now make a title page of unit number 1, My Body. Take a screenshot of it. Now it's your homework. First take a screenshot of it. Your first question is fill in the blanks. You have to write 2 sentences like this. अच्छा, ये आप इस पेज का स्क्रीनशॉट लें. ये आपने होमवर्क करना है अपनी साइंस की कॉपी में. टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस पेज एंड यू. Now the second question is choose and write the correct answer from the given options. Take a screenshot of this page also. Now the third question is write T for true and F for false sentences. Take a screenshot of this page also. Now take a screenshot of this page. Take a screenshot of this page. Match the parts of body with their names. First you have to draw the picture, then after write the name. With the help of parents, you can do these homework. Okay. Now write the names of parts of face. Same like this. You take a screenshot of this page. First you have to draw the pictures, then write the names. Take a screenshot. Now move to the next. Now the next question is draw and label any one part of the body. This question is the last question. ये क्वेश्चन आपने अपने इंटरलीफ वाले पेज पे करना है. ठीक है. टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस पेज and it's your book page number 3 and it's your book page number 3. It's your book page number 3. Take a screenshot of this page Okay, now student, thank you. Allah Hafiz from my side. If you have any